We are continuing with the series showing you the products and services that we offer in Nature Playroom to help you as an ECD practitioner. Now we are on part 11. So before we can go to the products and services that we offer, let us look at the skills of an ECD practitioner, the skills that you need to have. On the last video, we talked about child development knowledge. On this one, we're going to talk about curriculum implementation. You need to know how to implement a curriculum, okay, in the classroom. So we have curriculum framework, okay. So the ability to effectively implement the National Curriculum Framework for children from birth to 4 and the CAPS curriculum assessment policy for grade R for 5 to 6 year olds, okay. Another thing, you need to know how to implement play-based learning, proficient in designing and facilitating learning experiences that are engaging, hands-on, and driven by play, recognizing that play is how children learn the best, okay. And another thing, you need to know how to do lesson planning, developing age-appropriate, stimulating, and balanced daily and weekly plans that cover all developmental domains, holistic development. Another thing is resource development, ability to create or adapt learning materials, often using low-cost or recycled material relevant to local context and culture. Okay, so these are the skills that you need to have under curriculum implementation, curriculum framework, play-based learning, lesson planning, resource development. You need that as an ECD practitioner. Okay, so coming back to our products and services that we offer in ECD. For ECDs, we are done with we're still doing lesson planning. We're still doing lesson plans. Sorry to say that. We're still doing lesson plans. Last time we talked about what do you get when you get the package for lesson plans. Okay, these were just the paper formats, the soft copies. Okay, these were just the soft copies. If you say, I want the soft copies and I also want to know how to use them, there's videos created to show you how to use them, meaning there's another package as well that you can add on top of that. All right, apart from the package of soft copies, you can add a package of videos. Okay, the main video there is to show you how the lesson plans are working, but that video doesn't go alone. It goes with sets of other videos. Let us check them. So if you say I want videos that show me how to use this lesson planning, this is the package that you get. You can also get the Morning Ring course. There's a course created for Morning Ring. So it is unlike the course that you see that it is unlike the videos that you see on TikTok that we are showing you for 60 seconds about Morning Ring and stuff. No, this one is then actually showing you from start to finish. It is longer and it is not pieces like what you see in TikTok. So everything is there. So there's a Morning Ring course. There is a theme table display every week, meaning every week we show you the theme table. We show you everything that you put on the theme table every week. We change the theme and we also change the things that we put on the theme table. So every week you get theme table. So story time, every week the story changes. Every week there's a video, okay, or after every 2 weeks, depending on the story that we are reading, there's a video that shows you how to read that story. You see, it is preparing you. And then we have classroom layout and wall art ideas, the things that you put on the wall, and then how you can actually put your classroom, how your classroom is laid out. You're gonna get ideas there. There is craft ideas. Right? And there's homework ideas for grade R children only. And then we are exploring assessing the children. And then there is teacher support coping campaign. There is a teacher support campaign. Okay? This is what you get. And then from time to time, we are revisiting the curriculum. Okay? We are revising the curriculum. So there is, unlike the courses in the short course, unlike the courses that we provide for curriculum, and also the one that we provide in the coaching program, and also the one that we're going to provide on events, the curriculum overview. But this one, it is just in part, like we are always revisiting the curriculum to remind you of the things that you need to know. Okay, so but this one is not like the one in the other courses. You have to understand, same thing, but here we don't go all in just like in other courses. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, we are done with showing you lesson plans, what do you get for lesson plans, and what do you get with videos who are showing you how lesson plans work. You will decide how you want it. Run to the comment section and tell us what you need, and let us help you. Okay, so follow for more. This is part 11. Part 12 is coming with something else. Take care.